What are we doing? Today we're trying to finish custom harvesting. Hopefully the last day of combining till this fall. So what we got to do is we got to beat the rain clouds, and I'm sitting in the truck right now getting ready to get headed down the road. We got about 30 acres of rye to finish up. Then we'll be done for now. Buckle up. We're gonna get going. There's my buckles. See, I have to back around a cow trailer, which is complicating things a little, because on this other side over here I've got to try not to go in a ditch and not hit the disc line. There we go. Now we're golden. Now we're ready to go. On everything. So I got 30 acres to cut, so we may have to wait a little bit. At the same time, we got to be done because the rain's coming at noon. So you can typically do about 10 to 11 acres an hour. So I think we're gonna wait about half an hour to see if the sun pops out and we can get some of this dew off. And if not, we're just gonna have to roll with it, and hopefully we don't plug stuff up. When the material's wet, the dust gets sticky and plugs up the sieve and the chaffer. All right, made it to the combine. Oh, had it tucked behind the trees so that people didn't mess with it. Oh great, that was on all night. I thought that shut off on its own. Well, we may need a battery charger here. Let's give it a shot. Good thing, that was close. It's super cloudy out, and this dew is not gonna dry off for a long time. We gotta get this finished. So I think what I'm gonna do is just cut the rye up high, give it a try. If it's too wet, I'll wait. If it's not too wet, let's go. Oh, it's feeding. That's a good sign. Great, I just talked to a camera that wasn't recording. Just got that finished up. It's rain coming soon, so we're gonna button the truck up and get out of here. Our next little project, I have to get a wheel on one of the gravity wagons. It's gonna be a little bit of a process. Okay, so is last spring we needed a tire for the cultivator, and so we were in a hurry and we grabbed one off of this, and then we put the wagon on the high lift jack, and then the high lift jack gave out. This thing is in the ground. I gotta get this jack in here, get this up high enough I can put blocks under it, straighten the jack, and then hopefully I can get it up high enough to get a wheel on it. The problem is this jack hits here before it goes under the wagon, and we can't fit in here with a skid steer to get the forks under it. Well, I guess we could move that wagon. Getting the skid steer in here might be my next step if I have to, but Dad's using it to clean manure right now. So I'm gonna try this. Try the jacket method real quick. Stay put. If you haven't noticed, high lift jacks are very dangerous because you do that sort of thing. If you have the handle in the wrong spot, it can take your teeth out, take your face off, smash your thumb, whatever might be in the way at the time. My thumb might be broken, but I think it's fine. That's why I roll the camera. Still hurts. Well, I might have a fracture in my thumb, but it's all for the good of the people who are hungry. I think I need one more block to get this wheel on. Okay, let's try